OnePlus today introduced OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition smartphone in China, as it had promised. Inspired from Cyberpunk 2077 RPG game, this has a thin and light body, retains the 3-stage buttons, and adopts a new CMF design, but other specifications are same as the original OnePlus 8T. On the back of the phone has 3 parts, upper, middle, and lower, that uses 3 processes. That includes panoramic window for the upper part, special snow AG glass finish in the middle, and the bottom part has forged carbon fiber texture with Cyberpunk 2077 engraving. It has live wallpaper, uses the spiritual symbol in the game, the logo of Wuxi Band, has bright neon colors and notification light effect, simulates the flickering effect of neon lights when it powers on. The fingerprint unlock animation is similar to the artificial eye scan in the game, and the charging animation simulates the process of hackers hacking. The phone has customized new system sound effects, 2 custom filters, Night City and Northern California, which reflect the day and night of the Night City in Cyberpunk 2077 game. These can also be used to record videos. It comes with customized luminous mobile phone case. The manual is also a poster with the iconic visual element, comes with 6 limited badges, each of which will be randomly included in the box of each mobile phone. The OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition comes in 12GB plus 256GB version, is priced at 3,999 yuan, $597 Rs. 44,430 approximately, is available for order from today and goes on sale in China from November 11th. No details about its global rollout yet, so friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.